Hey there, I'm Yankel, and when it comes to pulled pork, there is nothing better than the pork butt. It's this beautiful, marbled, fatty piece of meat. It comes from the pork shoulder, where the animal does a little bit of work to keep it moving, so you get this beautiful connective tissue, lots of that healthy fat, and it really breaks down nicely. And one of the great things about using it for pulled pork is it really comes apart as soon as it's tender. It also absorbs a ton of flavor. So for this really easy recipe, we're gonna go straight into the slow cooker. We've got onions, garlic, and our favorite keto-friendly barbecue sauce. We're gonna put it all in there and we're gonna let it go. Let's get started. Well, it doesn't get any easier than this. Pork butt goes in the pot, followed by onions, a couple of cloves of garlic, and of course, barbecue sauce. Well, all our ingredients are in the pot. We're gonna close it up. All we have to do is put it on high, let it cook for about 6 hours, and get on with our day. I'll see you in a little bit. I think enough time has passed. We're gonna take a look at what we've got. Oh, it's beautiful. The sauce is all fatty. We're actually gonna shred the pork right into that sauce, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Two things to remember. Number one, if you're doing it in a crock pot or a slow cooker like we just did, defrost the pork butt first. If you're doing it in an Instant Pot or some kind of pressure cooker, or even in the oven, you can do it from frozen because it's gonna come up to temp a lot faster, so you don't have that danger zone. But crock pot or slow cooker, you definitely wanna defrost it first. All right, let's get to shredding our pork. Well, there you have the absolute easiest pulled pork recipe ever. It's 4 ingredients, it all goes into the slow cooker, and you let it go. We have plenty left over, so I can either meal prep for my week, or I can freeze some for a future date, or I can just have a party with pulled pork. Either way, super easy, gets the job done, and absolutely delicious. I'm Yankel, see you next time, and have a keto day.